To enable or disable snore detection on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, what you need to do is you need to swipe up on the watch face to open the list of apps, and then over here we're gonna go to settings. Now once you open settings, you want to scroll down a little bit and then go to the health option. Here in Samsung Health settings, you should be able to find the sleep option, so let's go over here, and then in sleep we have the snore detection. So we should be able to jump to our phone, and then here we can turn on the snore detection, and actually our phone is used to detect if we are snoring or not. So we need to allow the Samsung Health app to record audio. There we go. And then here we have some additional options like detect snoring. By default is set to always, or you can just set it to once. So we can measure snoring for one sleep session, then it's going to turn off the snore detection. Here we have the record audio options. Of course, we can record ourselves if we are indeed snoring. And then we have the option to decide after what time the audio recording should be removed. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.